So I'm going to make a quick simmer pot. I have some citrus peels and a mint stem because I just made something, and so I'm putting all of this citrus peels, orange, lemon, lime, and then the mint stem into my little pot that I use for this purpose, my simmer pot. Put some water on there to cover it. This way we're not wasting the plant material. It adds moisture to the house and it smells really, really nice. Then I just put it on an out of the way burner, and I'm going to turn this on high, set my timer for 10 minutes, and then when the timer goes off, I'll turn it off. I have to set my timer so that I don't leave it to boil over. All of these things I've learned the hard way. I have stories about this in, 10 minutes. Okay, timer set. I have stories in my plant-based eating hacks book about things boiling. But okay, simmer pot, it's starting to go. Enjoy.